U.S. Secretary of State Antony Blinken will host the partners in the Blue Pacific countries on Thursday with the aim of better coordinating assistance to the region in the face of competition from China, a White House official said. The group was formed in June and includes the United States, Australia, Japan, New Zealand and the United Kingdom. India has an observer status with the PBP, White House Indo-Pacific Coordinator Kurt Campbell said in remarks at an event in New York. A few other countries would join too, he said. Campbell said circumstances for the Pacific Islands countries were much more dire than in the past. The Blue Pacific event, on the sidelines of the UN General Assembly in New York, will come ahead of the September 28 to 29 summit U.S. President Joe Biden plans to host with Pacific Island leaders, which Campbell said reflected a desire to demonstrate clearly our larger commitment to the Pacific going forward. U.S.-China competition for influence in the Pacific Islands has intensified this year after China signed a security agreement with the Solomon Islands, prompting warnings of a militarization of the region.